is up, guys? It is now Saturday afternoon. It's been a very productive morning. I pretty much just did my normal thing, make breakfast. I also cleaned the kitchen and also cleaned some of my brushes because I do want to film again later tonight, and I want to do more of like a natural look this time. I kind of alternate between creative and then natural look, so I think I'm going to do that. And look at this hoodie used to be, I wouldn't say like fitted, but it used to be, just fits okay, and now it's like very, very loose. Very happy about that. But yeah, I'm just gonna grab the bags in here, and then I'll try and take you guys along with me again using my phone to vlog. I'll show you guys what I'm planning to eat because I am going on that more protein oriented diet starting next week, Wednesday. Kind of excited, and I'm also going to try and bake some almond bread. Alright guys, so we're now here at Coles, and we're at a different Coles just because it's raining and this Coles happens to be undercover. So I think I'm going to get maybe these baby gem lettuce just for salads, and then I'm going to get another pack of strawberries, maybe this one over here. Alright, so this is what I've gotten so far, like some strawberries, some chicken tenders, some marinade chicken for my salad, some rissoles for my partner, and then I got some cookies for my partner as well. So I'm just going through the aisles. I don't think I have anything in this aisle. Oh, actually no, canned fish, that's why I'm here. It's at the very end. Alright, so we're back home. I was planning to do like a whole vlogging within the supermarket, but I didn't have any coins on me, so the trolleys here, they need a $2 coin or $1 coin, so you can unlock them and you can use them. I didn't have any coins on me, like I said, so I had to use a basket, and it's a little bit hard to vlog, and well, you get the point. Anyway, we're back home. I'll quickly show you guys what I grabbed. Okay, so this is pretty much an overview of what I got. So all the dairy stuff, that's from my partner. The only thing that I will be having next week is this skim milk, so I can have milk again, yay. Just not too much, and it has to be low fat, so grab skim milk for myself. And then for the almond bread, I grabbed, according to the ingredients that I saw online, apple cider vinegar, and then some organic extra virgin coconut oil. I'm not really sure how I'm going to use it, I just looked at the list. I couldn't really find any of the normal almond flour that I saw online. Next best thing I could find was this one, so I'm hoping this is going to work out. It says baking flour, so I think it will work, and it even says keto flax almond. I think this has something else mixed in it, but that will do, I suppose. Then I've got some chicken tenderloins, and I've got some chicken tenderloins for when, I can eat normally again. I also grabbed this for tonight. This is Cole's breast steaks in lemon and herb. I'm going to chop this up and, measure it for like 100 grams, and then I can put it in a salad. So in the salad, I am going to put a little bit of tomato, but mainly just going to have it with some baby gem lettuce. Also grab some eggs, obviously, for the bread and just for general food. Got some pork roast and Devon, again for my partner, but the pork roast I will have when I can eat normally again. I got some of my grissini sticks because I've still got a few days left, and I don't have any, actually no, I have 2 sticks left of grissini sticks, so yeah. And then for the salad, I've got some classic vinaigrette and some balsamic dressing. And then for my partner's dinner tonight, some rissoles. I've got other meats in the fridge and the freezer, but yeah, that's what's out, so I'll have that. And I actually forgot to buy bread, so on the way out I was very lucky at this shopping centre. They had a Baker's Delight, so I just grabbed one of their loaves. The last thing I picked up was this Pyrex measuring cup jug thing. The one that I purchased like I think 3 weeks ago from Coles as well, was a plastic one of those acrylic ones, and that started to crack, so I thought, yeah, probably time to get a glass one. That will be much better. Alright, it's dinner time. Let's step into the kitchen, and you guys can probably hear my new slippers. If you guys missed them, this is what they look like. So got these from Kmart the other day. I mean, they have that like really sticky sound, but it's okay. They're very comfy. I look tired today, don't I? So my partner's having rissoles with some mashed potato. I am going to be having like a grilled chicken, salad, pretty much just some lettuce and maybe a little bit of tomato, like not a lot of tomato, and then I'm just gonna put some vinaigrette sauce on top, and then that should be that. Alright, so this is my grilled, it's like pan fried chicken salad. Obviously got some tomatoes and then some of that lettuce. I actually figured out that baby gem lettuce is actually enough for just one little salad, so that actually worked out really well. And then I've also got the classic vinaigrette. I'm just going to put a little bit of it. I'm not really sure how I'd like this particular sauce yet with this, so we'll see. Hey everyone, it is now Sunday and I am in the kitchen. I am about to prepare myself to create a loaf of bread. I haven't baked anything since I was probably 5 or 6 years old, so it's been a while since I've done any sort of like baking. So if you guys aren't aware, I'm currently on the HCG diet. I've got a few days left. After that, I'm going to go on pretty much an all protein and just fruit and veg diet. And I can't have any wheat, can't have any nuts, can't have any pasta for another 3 weeks, which is fine. But I really want to have some kind of bread substance. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Hopefully it all works out. Okay, so the video that I am pretty much following is by this channel called Healthy Recipes. So it's the almond flour bread recipe. I'll link it down in the description box down below for you guys if you guys would like to also try this out. Okay, so this is the almond bread. I'm just going to whack it in the oven. So I've got it to, I think that's 180, just on the convection setting. And I'm going to leave it in there for probably 30 minutes and then I'll check on it. And then if it's not ready yet, then I'll leave it for another 10. Okay, it's done. It smells so good. I was telling my partner how it reminds me of this biscuit we have in the Philippines, and I used to have it a lot when I was younger. I forgot what it's called. Like, it smells like brojas. I think it's called brojas. Oh, looks good. Alright, there it is. The recipe says to leave it there for 10 minutes just to cool. I think the next time I do this, because it doesn't look like it's risen that much, I'll do double the amount if this recipe tastes good. Look at that steam. So my partner says he likes warm bread, so he's gonna try it out. Well, it's a decent size. Like, if you look at my hand, it's almost like bread, like maybe a third of a normal bread slice. Okay, so he's just put some butter on it and he's gonna let me know what he thinks. What do you think so far?
It's really, really good.
Oh, good.
It reminds me of something, but I can't quite put my finger on what it actually reminds me of.
Like a biscuit?
Yeah, like an Anzac biscuit.
Okay, there you guys go. If you guys are Aussie or from New Zealand or have ever had an Anzac biscuit, apparently it tastes like that. I'm going to have like the tiniest bite in a second to see what I think about it. So my partner saved me a little morsel, so I'm gonna taste this. I don't know if I caught it on camera, but he was saying it kind of tastes like banana bread, like the texture. Very similar, I have to agree. But also at the same time, I don't know if it's because of the butter that's giving it flavor, but like the crust bit, it tastes It tastes pretty neutral, I have to say. Almost like a flavorless cookie, but I don't mind it. Yeah, it was pretty good. I think after we finish this loaf, I'm going to make another loaf, like double the ingredients, so that I can make it a bit taller, so it looks like normal slices of bread. Okay guys, so I've just sat down and I'm about to have dinner. So again, I'm having this. Normally I add a little bit of lemon juice. So I've got, again, from Coles. If you guys can't tell, we normally shop at Coles. Just a little bit. And then with this, I like to eat them with chopsticks. I do prefer forks, but for this, I kind of feel like it's like very Asian. I feel like it needs to be very authentic. So I've got some chopsticks. So these ones are from Daiso. They're like $2.80, I think, or like $2.50. $2.80, I think it is here in Australia. Yeah, and I've had them for years and they seem to work really fine. Alright, let's dig in. Last time I made this, I made it with chicken, and I think I overdid the soy sauce, and it was like hella salty, to the point that I only really ate the meat because I couldn't eat the noodles because they were so salty. So I am pretty much a trial and error type of cook. Sometimes it comes out amazing, and sometimes it's way too salty. So tomorrow is the first day I'm pretty much sticking to the low calorie diet without the HCG, and the HCG is the one that actually has that sort of like appetite suppressing effect. So it's going to be interesting how bad the cravings are going to be like for food, or the hunger pains, I should say. It's not really cravings that bother me at this point. It's really just, you know, hunger pains every now and then. Like, I experience it every now and then. I'm still doing the sprays, but when I don't do the sprays anymore, that's going to be the test, I suppose. But I'm just going to try and make sure that I am well hydrated. I drink plenty of water, drink plenty of tea, just to make myself feel full. And then just have my little snacks that I'm allowed to have throughout the day, so that I don't feel like I'm starving by the end of the day. I've chopped apples. I've got some chopped apples, and I've got some grissini sticks as well, like stuff that I can have, just so I can munch on them if I do feel the need. I'm also hoping that tomorrow at work it's going to be a little bit busy. That way I'm a bit distracted that I don't actually think about food. Alright guys, well, I'm pretty much going to end the vlog at that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already. Hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this video. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!